Okay. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Bright Star Placement Corp agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any
100%, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I have a sister, ma'am.
Do you,
Our eldest sister.
do you know which place she was designated?
Maybe I cannot exactly the address, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. So this is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your name?
I'm Rowena Balanay.
Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you?
40 years old, ma'am.
Are you single mother, single with live-in partner, or married?
Married, ma'am. Married.
How many children do you have?
I have two children, ma'am.
Ages? How
They
old are your children?
ages, ma'am. The eldest is running 16 years old in November 20, and the youngest mom is 6 years old.
Okay, when is your birthday?
July 27, 1984, ma'am.
July 27, 1984. What is your height and your weight?
5'2", ma'am.
Okay, your weight?
64, ma'am.
What about your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I am graduated in Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, ma'am.
Okay, so you finished your college, right?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay, so you mentioned that this is your first time working abroad. So is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am, because my mother-in-law decided that you cannot work because your children is uh, coming so fast grow, and I want to earn money, ma'am, because of my eldest son, because she approaching in college.
Okay. So your mother-in-law will going to take care of your two children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about your husband? How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband, ma'am, is 39 years old, and his occupation is uh, driver.
Okay, but he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay, because we don't want later to have such a trouble, okay? Because you will sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer. And at the same time, the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They explained to me.
Okay, so you need to get ready and you need to prepare because this is not Philippines. Houses here in Malaysia is quite big, so you need to get ready. You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience those things here in Malaysia that you didn't experience in Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. So, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. When I graduated, ma'am, I worked 2 years from a sales lady from a sales company, and very cheap. the salary, so I cannot stop. And then I go to household, and then I have I have found the family mom that they are five in the family.
Okay. So you mentioned that you work as a sales lady for 2 years in Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
When I graduated, ma'am, I immediately took for a job, and that's, ma'am, 2006 to 2008, ma'am.
Okay. So after that, you also mentioned that you work as a housemaid and this family got five family members, right? So how many
Yes,
years did you
ma'am.
work there?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay, what year did you started and what year did you finish?
Uh, After my work, ma'am, I go immediately for another work, and that's it's 2008 and 2010 to 2010.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your duties or your responsibilities to your previous employment way back 2008 to 2010 for 2 years?
The the mother and father, mom, is work. The occupation of the father is a man, and the mother is a teacher. Then their children is going to school every day. Before they going, mom, I wake up early, and then I take a cook to
Okay?
to her fast, and then I will let them but take her bath and taking care of them, mom. Then I will send them to school.
Okay. Did you do house chores, laundry and ironing also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I
How
do
old?
all the
Okay. How old is the children that you take care?
the the, the eldest mom is 10 years old, and the other one mom is 8 years old, and the other one mom is 6 years old.
Okay. So you take care of three children, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So after 2010 until recently, you became a full-time mother, is it?
A mother. Yes, ma'am. A mother.
Okay. So you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What comes into your mind that you wanted to work as a domestic helper, knowing that domestic helper is very tough? It is not the Philippines. It's not the same in the Philippines. So why did you think that working as a domestic helper here in Malaysia is okay?
Ma'am, because when you go abroad and the salary, ma'am, is very high, I want to earn money, ma'am, for my children. As my sisters, ma'am, I have two sisters, ma'am, and the eldest ma'am is going there, yeah, here there in Malaysia for almost 25 years, ma'am, and I become an inspiration of her, because her daughter, ma'am, is finished their study because of of her mother, ma'am, there in Malaysia. Then
Okay.
I put in my mind that when I sacrificed going abroad, ma'am, I earn for my children.
Okay. So, you know that you need to get ready and you need to prepare yourself, okay? As I have mentioned a while ago. So, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Ma'am?
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am, yes. I'm
Can you
willing,
take your
ma'am.
baby?
Ma'am, I cannot go more on baby, because, ma'am, when I take my labor of my baby, ma'am, I have a husband, ma'am, to take care of me and my baby.
It's okay, ate. So, are you okay to take your baby or no?
Baby, ma'am, I'm not very sure, ma'am, because I'm not.
It's okay. No worries, ate. So, can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can you
I'm
cook?
willing.
Can you cook?
Yes, I am cook, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn more delicacies, ma'am.
Okay. So can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay, so using of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime after you finish your job for the whole day, okay? And you will render your phone on the next morning, okay? But if we found out that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
cannot cope up your job on the next day because you don't have the energy to work because you sleep late at night, like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. and it affects your job, then we will inform your employer that you are allowed to use your phone during nighttime for 2 to 3 hours only, okay? On your rest day also, you are not allowed to go out on your rest day, but you will going to uh, allow only to stay inside the employer's house on your rest day. But if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we want you to clarify and to understand about our terms and conditions because we don't want to force people to come here, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Rowena. It was my pleasure meeting you, but always remind yourself that this is not Philippines and we need to humble ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of our employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Oh, ma'am, thank you too, ma'am.
Okay.